In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Facebook page ID in Meta Business Suite. Before we begin, a quick note on what we're looking for. Your page ID is a unique numeric code tied to your Facebook page. Many tools and platforms ask for it when you connect ad accounts, set up integrations, or troubleshoot tracking. It's not the same as your page's username or URL slug, and it doesn't change, which makes it a reliable identifier to keep on hand. Start by opening Meta Business Suite, the central dashboard where you manage your Facebook page and Instagram in one place. Once you're in, make sure the correct page is selected. If you manage multiple pages, you'll usually see a drop-down or switcher at the top. Confirm that the page you want to work with is active, so the settings you open apply to the right place. Next, head to Settings. Look for the gear icon or the Settings link in the left-hand sidebar. This takes you into the area where the page's details and controls live. Settings may sometimes be nested, so if you see multiple sections, stay within the General Page Settings rather than Ad Account or Billing Settings. Now, click your page name within the Settings area. This opens the page's primary information panel. You'll typically see a summary of page info here, such as the name, category, and other identifiers. The goal is simply to open the page's details screen by selecting the name directly inside Settings. On this screen, you'll see the page ID displayed. It's usually labeled clearly and appears as a long number. This is the exact identifier you'll use when a platform asks for your Facebook business account or page ID. If you don't spot it at first glance, scroll the Details panel slightly. It's commonly near the top section with core page information. When you find it, copy the ID. Some interfaces offer a one-click copy button. If not, highlight the number and copy it manually. Pay attention to avoid grabbing extra spaces. It's a good idea to paste it somewhere safe, like a Notes app or documentation for your team, so you don't have to repeat this process later. You can now use this ID for ad accounts, integrations, and other setup tasks. If a tool won't accept it, double-check that you're using the page ID and not a username or URL, and ensure you're working in the correct page's settings. That's it. You've successfully located and copied your Facebook page ID in Meta Business Suite.